Good afternoon everyone. How's everyone doing today? Going to a thing called the community fridge on Netherfield, last street, Broadlands on Netherfield. Community fridge is like what shops don't sell, if we can go get for free. Dates, sorry about the shakes. Dates is today 10 what is it 2 till 3 o'clock. Tuesdays is 5:30 to 6:30. No, yeah, 5:30 to 6:30. And then Thursdays is 10 in the morning till 10 in the morning till 11 in the morning. So the community fridge on Netherfield. We do other ones at do ones at Wolverton, Coffee Hall. I don't know, can't remember what dates they are on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul. So not long just come from Mead where I live. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul. Like I said, walk into the community fridge, last street on Broadlands. Starts at 2 o'clock, finishes at 3 on Sundays. Tuesdays, like I said, Tuesdays 5:30 to 6:30. Thursdays 10 to 11. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul. Community fridge is like, if supermarkets don't sell much, they bring it to the community fridge. Like a church we got on Netherfield, and we go help ourselves, everything's for free. So yeah, they do coats as well, do like kids coats and stuff like that. I'll be going in early. Like I said, it starts at 2, but I'll be going in early to have a look round and so on. I don't know, like I said, I know I keep repeating myself. Community fridge on Netherfield, last street, Broadlands. I'll talk to you in a little while. So in the community fridge, going to do like a lap before I come in again. Most of the stuff is like free, so you can help yourself and so on. So yeah, that's the community fridge on Netherfield. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now, bye for now.